Hi, my name is Chantal St. Fleur.
My name is Ogechi Wokalema.
I'm Brett Pointer.
Salika.
Zachary.
Caroline.
Rachel.
Cassandra.
Catherine.
Aaron Bud.
Kathy Lee.
Christopher Willones.
Daniel Bastine.
Xiomara Perdomo.
Gabriel Saldana.
Joffrey St. Hilaire.
Marjo Fori.
Ostap Dzyndra.
Melanie Yanto.
Ryan Capitrio.
Sabina Nyangwachi.
Jagwe Pachane.
Tim Kosaka.
Sephora Idowu. Stephanie Janto.
And my one word that I will use to describe this AYP mission trip is revealing.
Purposeful.
A good time.
Fellowship.
Action.
Obedient.
Fellowship.
Joy.
Inspiring. Blessing.
Help.
Awesome.
Unity.
Humbling.
Amazing.
Meaningful.
Impactful.
Epic.
Inspire.
Mindful. Service.
Meaningful.
Fantastic.
Cultivating.
It's reformational.
Hey AYP friends, we're here in Los Angeles, California serving. We are here restoring a local community church.
Over 24 AYPers from all over the country have come together to make an impact here in this church and in this community. Here's a recap of our time together.
What inspired me to come to this mission trip is really my previous experience with AYP. It's been a really great group to be a part of, and this was just an amazing opportunity to get involved with.
I never had an opportunity to do a mission trip before. I did literature evangelism in the United States, but I was really inspired by all the cool mission stories that I would hear of how people were able to give back to the community.
I've never gone on a mission trip before. This is something that I really wanted to do, and I saw it posted on our AYP group chat. I decided to do it, take a shot, pay the registration fee, and come here, and it has been amazing. Meeting new people, making connections. The church people have been amazing, very welcoming and kind, and really great people.
My favorite part about this weekend, that was probably the highlight of my weekend and my year, is watching the sunset at the beach and worshiping at the beach. It was the most beautiful experience I had.
The most enjoyable part was definitely the sunset, just the fellowship that we had and just seeing God's creation through the sunset. It was just beautiful, peaceful, and just really made me remember how special I am in God's eyes, that He created such wonderful things, and yet He took time to come down, save me, save all these people.
I saw God working through the mission trip, through everyone that volunteered, just helping each other out. So I feel like He was all throughout this mission trip, especially the church members that cooked for us every morning. I really appreciate the way that they showed us love through food, because I love food. And so I saw God throughout the whole mission trip in various different ways.
I've seen God working through the quiet moments, especially during our devotions. You know, God has been speaking to each of our hearts individually and just convicting us of the things that we need convicting of.
I saw God saying, hey, it's time to reach out, reach out and to touch those who may not know who I am. And there can be people who are in the church walls who may not even know who God is, and there are people who are outside of the church walls. So it was awesome to see just God using us to just be a part of His work this weekend.
I just want to thank AYP for partnering up with Build and Restore International to have this mission trip and just giving me the opportunity to be here. I am super grateful not only to God but to AYP and Build and Restore for this amazing experience, and I would definitely do it again.
I consider that you strongly get connected with AYP so that you can get connected with a community and also get connected with ways in which you can serve, because that's what God calls us to do, and as Christians we're supposed to share love, and that's one of the ways that we can do it.
If you have ever thought about joining a mission trip or joining AYP, please do, because it is God's church in action.
We're so grateful of the work God did through us this weekend with all our AYPers.
It's been such a blessing, and know that this is just one of the many ways AYP is impacting communities all over the world. We hope to see you at our next event.